English language changed my life. English language changed many people's life, because in most cases when you can speak English, when you can understand English, there's a good social status. People will think that you are really educated. People are going to respect you. Oh, this guy can speak English, right? And also, not only about respect, but you can travel around the world, you can communicate with people, you can have job opportunities, you can communicate well with anybody. So there are so many benefits. There are so many advantages in life when you speak better English. Now, that's why you are here. That's why we have to learn how to communicate, learn how to speak English. Now, a lot of us, we understand English. We understand what other person is saying. We understand everything. We can read and we can understand, but we cannot speak. When it comes to speaking, we are just stuck. We are getting stuck. Or it's not, words are not coming naturally and automatically. Now, what is the problem? Well, the problem is imbalanced learning. Again, you read a lot of things, you listen to a lot of speech, but you did not speak. Now, in order to speak better English, the tip number one that I'm giving it to you is get out. I don't mean to be rude here, but tip number one is just get out and speak. Tip number එක හැඩයට මම දෙන්නේ එළියට ගිහිල්ලා ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන නම් කතා කරන්න ඕන. අපි කතා කරන්න ඕන spoken English වල spoken English improve කරගන්න නම් අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් එළියට බහලා කතා කරන්න ඕන. අපි කතා කරන්න ඕන යාළුවොත් එක්ක කතා කරන්න ඕන මෝල් එකට ගිහිල්ලා shopping mall එකට ගිහිල්ලා කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ අපි යාළුවෙක් හොයාගන්න ඕන. තව ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්න කැමති යාළුවෙක් හොයාගෙන අපිට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Go to the mall and speak to anybody who's willing to speak, who's willing to learn English. Go to the mall and talk to your relatives, no problem if they misunderstand you, no matter what kind of accent you are speaking, no matter if you are using right grammar or no matter if you are using right prepositions. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake, just learn, just practice. Now, practice makes perfect. Now, if you don't have anybody to speak English, you can learn English. Self-learning is very important. You can learn English by yourself. How are you going to learn English by yourself? Well, do the mirror practice, something called mirror practice. Do the mirror practice, and there are a lot of things you can do. A vlog, travel vlog. Go somewhere and do a travel vlog. So, well, you are speaking English, right? So, ඉංග්‍රීසිම කතා කරන්න කියලා අවශ්‍යතාවයක් නැහැ. ඔයාලට සිංහලෙමුත් බ්ලොග් එක කරන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන කීපයක් දාලා travel vlog එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. කවුරුත්ම කතා කරන්න නැත්නම්. ඊට අමතරව ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න කැමති යාළුවෙක් හොයාගෙන අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න කැමති යාළුවෙක් හොයාගෙන අපිට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Tip number 3, if you want to learn how to ride a bicycle, if you want to learn how to swim, if you want to learn how to drive, there is no better way than getting out and doing it, right? If you want to work out and have a bigger body, a bigger arm, a bigger bicep, there is no other way to get a better results than doing it. If you want to have a bigger bicep, you have to work out. If you want to learn how to drive or ride a bicycle, you have to get in the bicycle and you have to do the work. Otherwise, you won't get a result. Now, many people just talk about it. They don't want to do the work. They talk about it. Now, if you want to lose weight, you have to run, you have to work out, you have to do the exercise. Now, many people, they just talk about it. Now, what I'm saying is, if you want to learn English, you have to speak. You have to talk. You have to open your mouth and talk. In the first, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. Maybe your friends will laugh at you. Maybe they think that you're crazy when you practice yourself in the mirror, right? Maybe they'll think that you are insane, but no matter what they think, if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your English, you have to speak. Find some friend. Find one friend who is willing to learn English and talk with him. This is very powerful. There is no other way to learn English or to improve English than speaking. Go to the mall and speak. Find a friend and speak. Talk all the time. ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න අපිට විවිධ අවස්ථාවල පුළුවන් ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න. විවිධ අවස්ථාවල අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් අපේ life story එක. Tell your life story in English. Listen to me. We have a lot of experience in our life, right? Just take a look at me. I am telling my life story. We have a lot of experiences, painful experiences or joyful experience, whatever the experience that you have. Just tell your life story to somebody. Here, I am sharing my life story, my childhood, where I grew up in this video. Let's go to my story right now. I happened to grow up in a mountain province in a tiny house. I remember feeling so embarrassed in that house. I remember avoiding friends who visit my house. I was thinking to myself, oh, it's really embarrassing. I had a dream of living my life in a capital city, in a big house, without realizing the hustle and bustle. So eventually I came to capital city, started living. It was a different life. And I also remember I didn't have a television to watch TV. I was feeling so sad. Everybody got a TV. When you take a look at the modern days, tiny house idea is literally vastly growing. People are giving up their material things, bigger house, and they start living in a tiny house. They find a lot of fulfillment and happiness in that tiny house. And also, when you take a look at the modern days, only losers are watching television. Only fat and overweight people are sitting in the couch and watching television. Right now, it doesn't matter. What really matters is you gotta buy a car, you gotta have these material things, you gotta have these facilities, otherwise you won't be successful. Otherwise, they'll call you failure. I was living that type of life. Eventually, I realized that, hey, just wanna appreciate tranquility is the new luxury. Tranquility is the new luxury. What we feel embarrassed right now doesn't matter in the long run, because we are living in a constantly evolving world. We are trying to live a life that really not meant to be for us, and we literally build up a huge pressure. I remember I was feeling embarrassed to say that I'm from this mountain province. I was telling people that I'm from capital city, but what I realized is more you pretend, more pressure that you're building to yourself. More you're being truthful, more you're being open up, more you express yourself, more you open up yourself, begin to realize that that's the way to live your life. But what I realize right now, living in that tiny house, eating that small meal, surrounded by my family, that was the biggest joy in my life. I failed to realize the importance, seasons of life. And I was literally depressed and frustrated and embarrassed by tiny house. I think අපිට පොත් කියවනකොට අපිට හයියෙන් පොත් කියවලා ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Next time when you read a book, just read it out loud. Don't worry about neighbors. Don't worry too much about neighbors. Just read the book out loud, so you're gonna learn something. Then you can work about your pronunciation. You can hear your own voice if you mispronounce any word. So the other tip that I'm giving it to you is, when you read a book, read out loud. Think පොත් කියවනකොට පොත හයියෙන් කියවන්න අමතක කරන්න එපා. ඊට පස්සේ pronunciation හදාගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකයි හොඳ වටිනා ටිප් එකක්. පොත් කියවනකොට හයියෙන් පොත කියවන්න. Definition. So what is trust? Rather than giving a complex definition, I prefer the word of Jack Welch, former CEO of General Electric. He said, you know when you feel it. Simply put, trust means confident. The opposite of trust is distrust, a suspicion. When you trust people, you have confidence in them, in their integrity and in their abilities. That's it for me, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more video. The notification bell icon එක click කරන්න අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම video දැම්මට පස්සේ ඔයාලට බලන්න පුළුවන්. Thank you very much. Bye.